Hi, this is Pete Posner, your British English teacher at Big Break English. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, and on my website. And today we are going to talk about how to use will be able to on the topic of talking about technology and the future. Here are a couple of examples. We will be able to make more powerful computers, but we won't be able to cheat death. So, use will or will not be able to talk about ability or possibility in the future. Here's that first example again. We will be able to make more powerful computers. This sentence is a prediction about the future and means we will have the ability or possibility to make more powerful computers. Now, the form, important. In English, we don't have a form of can in the future. So here in the present, we say we can make powerful computers, but in the future, we don't say we will can make more powerful computers. Careful with that. We do say we will be able to make more powerful computers. Okay, so let's take a look at the form more closely. We start with the subject, I, you, he, she, it, will, they. Then will or will not be able to. And then the verb in its base form. Here are a few examples then with the subject we. So we have we will be able to make, verb in the base form, more powerful computers. We can also use the contraction. So we'll be able to make more powerful computers. Or in the negative, we will not be able to cheat death. Or with the contraction in the negative, we won't be able to cheat death. Okay, so why not now practice using this language with this question? What do you think we will be able to do with technology in the future? Why not write your ideas under this video in the comment section? Here's some more examples. In the long run, people won't drive cars because they will be able to take, that's the verb in its base form, robotic cars. Another example, in years to come, professionals in the travel and tourism industry will be able to work in space travel. Another example, in the near future, a lot of people won't be able to communicate well face to face because they depend on social media. Okay, so I hope that was helpful and see you again soon.